All right, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a difficult decision that you once made.
Well, there are lots of decisions in my mind which is I made in my whole life, but I think one of them and one of the most important, which is I'm supposed to tell you, that is the my bachelor degree, which is related to my future career, and the courses selection is which is very important for me. So when I was in my college life, I when I just passed my intermediate, and after that I spend my whole days on internet and search different types of future careers and related to my computer related fields degrees. So with a couple of few days, I just find out my software engineering degree, which is very accurate and totally belong to my interest. So I think that's the decision which I made, which is very important for me, and its impact on my whole career, which is huge, and that's why I think that's the decision which I did in my past. At the present day, he gave me he gave me a lot of sacrificing and a lot of successful in my whole career. So I think.
All right, thank you so much. You spoke for 1 minute 20 seconds. Overall, it's fine. There are so many grammatical mistakes. So, first thing is you mix up the tenses. Second, you have mistakes in your sentence structure. So try to overcome these, and then pronunciation. The word is not carrier, the word is career. Carreer. One is carrier, Carrier, but this is career. So pronunciation, present past mix, and sentence structure. You speak very fluently, that is your plus point. But just try to focus your grammar, and then it's going to be fantastic. Now we go on. What is the hardest part of making a decision?
Well, according to my perception, I think the impacts of your decision in their whole life in future, that is very major point. You should consider that's point. So and one of more, I think the impact on our next generation, which is also very important. So I think that's the two major points I'm considered, which is very important.
Okay, your answer is not clear. My question is different and your answer is general answer. So try to make your answer relevant. My question is, what is the hardest part of making a decision? So, well, you say, well, the hardest part of making the decision is executing that decision. You can make the decision in your mind, but practically when you have to apply that decision, that is something very difficult.
Yes.
Right? Or you can say the hardest part of making a decision is to choose one of the choices, because whenever you make decision, there are many choices, many options. Sometimes you want to go for plan A, sometimes plan B, sometimes plan C attracts you more. You don't know what to decide. So I think the options and these choices that makes decision making, or that make decision making very hard, something like that. Okay, so you need to connect your answer with your question, and whatever the question is in the beginning and at the end, connect your answer with the main question, right? Okay, thank you.